Hello, I'm Lee.
And I'm Wally.
And this is Summer. And we are Three for the Road RV.
Hello, Waddies.
What's today?
Stickers Monday.
Sticker Monday. That's right. So what is our first one today? One Strange Adventure. Good job. This one is Just Pulling Memories. Hold it up there so they can see, please. That's right. Yep. Up for the journey.
Up for journey. Thank you, guys.
This one is AFK Days, which is away from the keyboard. That's right.
Board.
Living the Good Life RV.
What to do?
Yep. Hold it still. Good job.
Thank you, guys.
Living Coast to Coast.
Living coast to coast.
Yep. CDWR Adventures.
CCW
Our Adventures.
Adventures.
Gotta hold it up better than that. Yeah, there you go. And Loving Life. Hitched Up.
It's up.
Can you hold that up again, please? There you go. Much better. Okay, what do we say? We say thank you.
Ring the bell. Like.
Subscribe. And always take the scenic route.
Bye.
Goodbye.